Scatterplots help us display data when we have two variables. In this lesson, you will learn how to make a scatterplot using motion data. In these first three examples, we have scatterplots that help us see relationships between two variables. In the first example, we see that as the temperature rises, we notice that the ice cream sales increase. In the second graph, this scatterplot is showing us a relationship between the number of missed classes and the exam score. So we notice the relationship between these two variables is in a different direction. And then in the third scatterplot, we have a scatterplot that's showing us the relationship between shoe size and IQ. And it doesn't look like there's much of a relationship there because those dots are pretty scattered. In this example, we will make a scatterplot about motion. We have data about time and distance from home. First thing we need to do is scale our axes. On the x-axis, the horizontal axis, that's where we're going to put our time data, hours. That goes up to 10. On the vertical axis, our data also goes up to 10, so we'll go by ones there too. This is our data about distance from home. Right, we're all set to graph now. So on our scatterplot, we could imagine there's a story here. So the person starts at home, and then maybe goes to the Kernlearn office and stays there for a little while and working on a science lab perhaps. Then they have volleyball practice, so they travel further away from home for that. And then after volleyball practice, they go home. So now after 4 hours, they're 0 miles from home. They stay at home for a little while, and then go spend a few hours at the fair. After they go to the fair, they go home. And perhaps later in the day, they go over to a friend's house. So we can see that as time changes, this person's distance from home keeps changing too. In this lesson, we introduced scatterplots for graphing two variable data and created a motion scatterplot using the variables time and distance.